Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. We are from Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic Titwada, semester 5th. Subject Software Testing. ST. Subject code 22518. Myself is Anita Shirture. Chapter 2nd Types and Levels of Testing. In previous chapter, we have learned about the software testing, characteristics of software testing, learning outcome of this video, levels of testing, and there are 4 levels are here. In these levels, first levels chapter 2nd Types and Levels of Testing. This chapter is given for the 18 marks. Now, what is testing? The tests are grouped together based on when they are added in SDLC or by the level of detailing the content. In general, there are 4 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. The purpose of this level of testing is to make software testing systematic and easily identify all possible test cases at a particular level. The main levels of software testings are the functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing refers to activities that verify a specific action or functions of the code. Functional test tends to answer the questions of can the user do this or does this. There are 4 levels of the testing. The first is unit testing, second is integration testing, third system testing, and fourth is the acceptance testing. In unit testing is a level of the software testing process where individual units or the components software systems are tested. The purpose is to validate that each unit of the software performs the designs. And then the integration testing is a level of the software testing process where individual modules combine and tested as a group. The purpose of this level of testing is to expose the functions of the interaction between the integrated units. And then third is the system testing. Is a level of the software testing process where a complete integration systems or the software is tested. The purpose is of this test is to evaluate the system's compliance the specified requirements. The fourth is the unit testing. A unit is a smaller testable portions of a system or applications which can be compiled, linked, loaded, and executed. This kind of testing helps to test each modules separately. Unit testing may include the code file, classes, methods which can be tested individually for correctness. The aim is to test each part of the software by separating it. It checks the components are fulfilling functionality or not. This kind of testing is performed by the developers. The primary goal of unit testing is to take the smallest piece of testable software in the application, isolate it and from the remainder of the code and determine whether it behaves exactly as you expect. In unit testing, each unit is tested separately before integrating them into modules to test the interfaces between the modules. The unit testing tests all the control path, the drivers and the stubs. The most common approach to unit testing requires drivers and stubs to be written. Drivers and stubs are special purpose arrangement, generally code required to test units individually, which can act as an input to the unit and can take output from the unit. The drivers and stubs represent the overhead, that is, both are software that must be returned. The driver simulates a calling unit and the stub simulates a called unit. There are some situations in which you will not have the resources to do comprehensive unit testing. Select the critical modules and those with the higher cyclomatic complexity and unit test only them. The driver is the calling programs and the stub is the called program. The interface learning outcome of this video: levels of testing, and there are 4 levels are here. In these levels, first levels I will explain in this video. The unit testing. Difference between stub and driver. The first difference is that drivers mainly created for integration testing, such as bottom-up approach, and stubs are mainly created for integration testing, such as top-down approach. Second difference is a driver is basically a program that accepts test cases data and passes that data to the module that is being tested. And stub are also programs that are used in a replace modules that are subordinates to the module to be tested. And the third is a driver is a piece of software program which calls the functions in the unit under test. Some questions regarding this topic. Question number 1. Unit testing is done by 4 options are there. Option 1, users B. Developers. C. Customers. And D. None of the mentioned. I have already told that unit testing. And then answer is B. Developers. Explanation of this answer. The unit testing is a method by which individual units of source code sets of one or more computer program modules together with associated control data. The operating procedures and uses procedure are tested to identify if they are fit for use or not. In the unit testing, the modules are checking in one by one, and a unit is a smaller testable portions of a system or the applications which can be compiled, linked, loaded and executed. And this kind of testing helps to test each module separately. That's why every module is checking by the developers. Question number 2. Which of the following statements are correct? Stubs are used in bottom-up approach. Stubs are used in top-down approach. Drivers are used in bottom-up approach. And drivers are used in top-down approach. Some matches are given here. A 1 3, B 1 4, C 2 3. Thank you.